the 2-pack of the BundlePro soup ladles. You get the blue and you get the gray color here. Really cool colors. We picked these up because they're silicone at the bottom. We're switching out all of our kitchen utensils to silicone. We're trying to get away from like the plastics or the other things that just have all the forever chemicals in them. Silicone is just a really great item to have in the kitchen. It's very high heat resistant. It's non-stick. You get a good grip on this one here. This is about 12, I think it's 12.2 inches, so it's just like a normal soup ladle, just it's a standard size here. And again, you get 2 of these here. So dishwasher safe. This is exactly what we were looking for. We're switching this out from like the heavy plastic one where it just had a lot of like different like cuts and stuff on there, and each time you look at it, anytime the plastic is frayed, that you just see that went into the food. So that's why we switched to silicone. That's not going to be happening with these. So this is exactly what we needed for our kitchen. We have a lot of other silicone kitchen utensils, and this was the last thing we had to switch out. So this is the 2-pack of the BundlePro soup ladles, 12 inches, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, don't have all the forever chemicals. So definitely want to check this out. Highly recommend these.